Now, when it's asked that you have to explain strict or absolute liability, what answer will you all write? Strict or absolute liability? Ryan versus Fletcher. Okay. And what you will write? What do you understand by strict or absolute liability? You have to pay. Anything happens, you have to pay. Okay, irrespective of what was your intention, irrespective of whether you were negligent or not, the product was at your place, it escaped from your place, the place which was in your control, and it caused harm to another person, you are liable for it. Okay, strict or absolute liability. Okay. Okay. So actually what you have to write in case of strict or absolute liability is this one. Yeah, you have to write about these cases fall under the following categories. These 3 points have to be written. Then you should mention Reliance versus Fletcher. In case of Reliance versus Fletcher, you can give the facts of the case in your own words. And then this is very important. These two conditions have to be written. Okay. Whenever we want to apply the case of strict liability to any the concept of strict liability to any case, these two conditions together have to be fulfilled. If any of the condition is absent, the Reliant versus Fletcher case cannot be applied. The strict liability concept cannot be applied. So what you have to actually do is you have to first write about strict or absolute liability. That is these from in some torts to act of his servant. Okay, then you have to mention the rule of Reliant versus Fletcher, and you can write in your own words. And the most important thing is these two conditions. These two conditions should be given because they actually explain the application of Reliant versus Fletcher in the cases of torts. Okay, have well understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, you can actually write distinguish between battery and assault. That is very easy, I guess. Uh, yeah. Battery and assault, distinguish between can be written. Here, both the points are explained. In exam, you can either write like this only, कि पहले you explain battery and then you explain assault. वैसा भी आप लोग distinguish between लिख सकते हो. Or else you can, write one point in the one point. What is battery? What is assault? Second point, what is the point of difference between battery assault? Third point, battery assault. Fourth point, battery assault. That way also you can write. Okay, both ways you can write. Either you can write it in paragraph form or you can write it in point form. Battery and assault. Okay, so we finish with the law of torts. We just move to another chapter. Any doubts in law of torts? Anyone? Anyone who has gone through the chapter? Any doubts in law of torts?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Have we written the previous year paper in case of IT Act? IT Act का लिखा है previous year का questions?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please mark some important things in the IT Act. सबके पास मॉड्यूल है, everyone has module.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
I'll just ask, matlab, I'll just give you some markings. Just keep on marking, okay? First, uh, hacking and passing off. Mark this as important. One second. Okay, that was an old portion, so you might not get it in your module. नहीं मिला ना किसी को भी?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ,
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ वो नहीं है, वो old portion. Okay. Next, you mark distinguish between computer network and computer system. वो मिल जाएगा. Computer network and computer system. See, computer network and computer system. Okay, have you all marked it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then mark some important definitions. Digital signature, electronic record, digital signature, originator, asymmetric crypto system, asymmetric crypto system. Are you all marking this?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, asymmetric crypto system, network service provider. Network service provider, either you will get it in the definition section or you will get it at the last of the chapter. Network service provider. Then domain name. डोमेन नेम मुश्किल है, वो भी ओल्ड ओल्ड पोर्शन में था. डोमेन नेम मत करो, डोमेन नेम वाज इन द ओल्ड पोर्शन. ओके, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक रिकॉर्ड, डिजिटल सिग्नेचर, ओरिजिनेटर, असिमेट्रिक क्रिप्टो सिस्टम, नेटवर्क सर्विस प्रोवाइडर. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.